Figura, Italian for make a good impression. Be a sharp-dressed man. Is an umbrella enough in rainy weather? No. Your suits need to be properly protected from the rain, and an umbrella usually means some part of the suit is getting wet. Wear an over-the-knee raincoat over your suit. Use an umbrella and you will be warm and dry. You can get a raincoat which has an inner layer which you can remove during the summer and reinstall for the colder months. That's very convenient. If you don't want to be wearing leather coats, or actually you don't want to be wearing leather coats or your cashmere coats in the rain, that's a bad idea. So my point of view, first impressions aren't accidental. They're created. Decide the impression you want to make before others decide it for you. Classic menswear can wear. The outerwear here is Burberry London, Basingstoke. It's a slate colour, over the knee raincoat, perfect for protecting your suits on rainy days because an umbrella doesn't give you total cover. And the suit, here we go, the suit, it's custom Carlo Barbera from Valdilana, 1949. It's a navy fabric with a blue pinstripe. The suit has notch lapels, double pleats, bucket breast pockets, side vents, 35mm double cuffs, and it has flap pockets. Have a look at it there. It's a bit too dark, isn't it? Okay, so the badge, as we see there, the accessories, these cufflinks are red glass. Badge is from Dale Carnegie, New York, 1912, silver corporate badge. The pen, Montblanc, Hamburg, 1906. Card holder, Lanvin, Paris, 1889. The watch, it's a vintage gold 24mm Cartier 1847 Tank Française with a black nubuck alligator strap. The fragrance is Acqua di Parma Colonia, classic from 1916. The high shine shoes. The high shine shoes were black derby shoes from Polini, 1953, with a round toe cap. So, style meets business. On a rainy day, when you arrive for the business meeting looking immaculate and dry, you show you are a professional. Style opens the door, but leadership, communication, sales, and executive presence keep it open. At Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training, we coach executives on all four. Want to master executive presence in Tokyo? Top performers in Japan's business world choose Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training to refine their leadership, image, and communication mastery. There are 35 free white papers waiting for you in the attachments and the links on this video. And also you can get 19 of our free ebooks. Just hit those links. Find out more about us in the attachments with this video.